O siguro sa ganito niya di ay.
Animal science man daw.
Mao? Siguro lugar na sila magkuan. At iman ng gayop, yan na.
Bag sa'yo, nagay na nga course? Bitaw, marag farm ra.
Ah, nga. Unsa po'y trabaho lugar makuhan to, anak?
Nagso, pagay kayo na. Marag wala, picture manana.
A lot of people think animal science is simple, dirty, no future, and purely raising of animals. But what most people don't see is the work, science, and responsibility behind it.
Most people only see animal science as taking care of animals. But the field is much bigger than that. Animal science involves nutrition, breeding, physiology, genetics, animal health, production, and even food processing. It combines science and agriculture to improve the lives of animals and the people who depend on them.
Animal science is more than just getting dirty. It teaches proper handling, livestock management, animal welfare, and responsibility. Through hands-on learning, students understand how animals are raised, cared for, and managed properly.
Dorsal, ano daw ba? Diba, make a horse. Kan, dorsal ka na likod, dire. Isura abi na kung mag-atiman na mga hayop ba ni? Lagi, mga ng realidad yun.
Behind the farm work is science, analysis, and practical learning. Animal science students study anatomy, physiology, genetics, nutrition, and more. They also learn about meat processing, dairy production, and livestock management. It is a course that requires both knowledge and practical skills.
Sa gito ba, Gustaurus, Gustandicus, sa pagkamanok gani, right? Guys.
Sa ganang Bustaurus gali. Kapitol na ba?
Son. So, sige, tao ko sa kambay. Ang scientific name sa kuwan. Sa manok. Galos sa tag.
Animal science plays a big role in everyday life. The food people buy in markets, meat, milk, eggs, and other animal products, all depend on proper animal production and management. The field also contributes to research, nutrition, food production, animal welfare, and agriculture.
Animal science is not only about raising animals, it is about understanding them, caring for them, and using science to support food production, livelihoods, and communities.
Animal science is more than what people think, and the more you understand it, the more you realize why it matters.